All right, good morning, everyone. It is August 18th, Wednesday. Thank you for all the birthday shout outs yesterday. Yes, I had my birthday yesterday. Fun, entertaining, great times. Glad to be alive this morning so far. All right, pre-market prep. What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well out there. Looks like pretty green pre-market. Futures are down, except the NASDAQ is still up. So we'll see what happens. I believe Fed meeting notes are due out in literally the next minute or so, or it has already come out. I have not seen what the Fed minutes are looking like. All we have to do really is to check SPY and see how that's reacting. And SPY is down a little bit, and so is, let's take a look at the QQQ. All right, so far not terrible. All right, let's just talk about a couple stocks that I'm looking at today. So VRPX, of course, everybody. Hope you got some fun scalps out of that. That was certainly cool. Yesterday, I only played, from 5 to 8, and then it ran to like $40 pre-market. However, I woke up this morning and put in an order for $22 and took a nap, and it ran to 40. So I sold about at $32 range. So nice nearly 50% profit on VRPX. So that was fun. So I'm pretty much done with the stock. However, I mean, if you're looking at this chart, there's that shooting star in the 5-minute, and I don't like that look. So I would venture to say $38, $39 is the top for the stock. But we'll see. I mean, it's already ran nearly 400% since yesterday. So be careful if you're still in the stock, because guess what's going to happen? They only have about 1.3 million in float. So that means, guess what? Offering time. So just be careful with the stock. All right. If you want to scalp it, feel free. But quite frankly, the market cap's now over 100 million. I'm sorry. Market cap should be over 50 million at this point. Companies need to raise money in order for the next steps in their development. So just be careful. But I think there's pretty bright future for this company, especially given what they're working on. Right. So we'll see about that. All right. Let's see. Another stock that I'm looking at is Nvidia. You guys want to pay attention to Nvidia today because they have earnings after market. Now it was down about 3 points or 3% yesterday. So not looking very good. However, earnings, it's always a roll the dice, right? To see if they beat their earnings. I expect them to beat their earnings. If they beat, yeah, you can see this pop over $200. So what you want to do is wait till latter part of the day towards the lunch hour for some lunchtime dips, maybe take up a call option, and maybe do a $200 weekly, and just to play the earnings call. All right. So that's what I'm looking at today. So Nvidia, and then of course, Tesla. I think Tesla is going to go back over to 680 tomorrow. Today, if the market's doing pretty good today. Nice hammer reversal on the daily chart anyway. If SPY does all right today, then you can see Tesla recuperate some of the losses over the last several days. It went as low as almost 650 yesterday. I tweeted that it was going to go to 660, but no, it was going to go to 650. So today I'm thinking it's going to go back to 680 range. So some opportunity there for you on Tesla. Let's see. Let's talk about one more, and then a couple more, and I'm done. Moderna just received news again this morning. Something about production, etc. But that's cool. Nice, very, very nice bullish engulfing candlestick. MACD turning around, RSI turning around. RSI 14 is only at 59, so this has got room to go. So we'll see. I'm thinking 420 for Moderna today, and also AMD is just fun. We did AMDs. You played AMDs virtually for the last 5 days, and you could probably come up. Wait till it dips down to about 105, 106, right below 106. And then buy a call for 107, and you'll bank 15-20% pretty quickly. That's how AMD runs for the last several days. If I just take a look at how it performs, like the characteristic of the stock, likes to take the morning dip and then runs, right? And same thing, takes the morning dip below 106 and then runs back to 107. All right, so there is an option available here. So today, what's it going to do? It's going to dip down. If the pattern holds, of course, no one can predict these things, but if it dips below 106, you buy a call and runs to 107, unless, of course, QQQ is not behaving today. All right. Okay, fine. Yeah, I just talked about Moderna. Yeah, Moderna's going to be Moderna's going to go to 420. I believe it's going to be hyped up again today. Again, beautiful engulfing candlestick. That draws the attention of a lot of bulls and scalpers, etc. So it's going to look pretty good. If, like I said, I've been on the wrong one. Ooh, okay. VRPX. Okay, so we already talked about VRPX. Okay, so mRNA. 405, hit 410 pre-market. So that's really, really nice. All right. So what's going on with you guys? Anything new? What are you guys scalping? Let's see. Disney. Yeah, Disney's took a dip yesterday. That's all right. Let's see. Checking out SPY right now. Kind of red. No big deal. Well, with this market, right, everything's going to run just because SPY is going down. And SPY will eventually hit another all-time high just for fun, right? Let's see. Fubo is up this morning so far. Lucid is up so far this morning. And yeah, VPRX Wish. Okay. Yeah, just going through everything. All right. Nice trade, nice start on the morning with VRPX. So that was really awesome. 50% scalp there. All right. Of course, if anything goes on lockdown, yes, Disney will be primarily affected. However, they're not shutting down parks or anything. They're just mandating masks, of course. But as the fear of the Delta variant or now the Lambda variant is coming out, and as long as the news cycle keeps talking about these variants, it's going to hurt Disney. Yeah, absolutely. FRSX, I haven't heard about that for a long time. Let's check it out. The $3. It's a low floater, right? No, it's not a low floater. 64 million. The thing about FRSX is that, they keep coming out with, they have news all the time, right? They have news about they're partnering with this company, they're partnering with that company, and you never really know what the terms of the deal is or what company they're partnering with. So it's just like, it's not going to move their stock, and it's just going to hang out in this area. It's not a fun stock. Of course, if it's great news, it pumps, but it normally just kind of fades away. So I'd stay away from FRSX. Upstart. All right. Yeah, I talked about Upstart for last week or so. Hope you guys got some. I started talking about it in like 175, and it ran to 213. It was crazy. So Upstart likes the 200. So yeah, there's a gap to fill down below. However, looking pretty good, right? To continue this uptrend here. 213 highs, I would just be careful if it corrects, maybe higher lows. Obviously, you have higher lows here. So if we just quickly draw a trend line, you're looking at that, right? So if they come out with an offering or anything, if the market corrects, then yeah, this can come back down, and then maybe a rising valley kind of thing. So we'll see. But so far, Upstart has been holding very well in the 200. So how far can it go from here? I don't know. Obviously, they're coming off the earnings hype. But 213 seems to be the top right now. If it pushes higher, fantastic. I just don't see this thing. I just see at this point there would be more risk involved than there are rewards out of Upstart. So I'm not really touching Upstart right now. Yeah, the AMD, we did a 107 weekly call yesterday when it dipped below 106, and then it jumped up and we got 20% out of it. I think it was 25%. All right. Oh, Tiger. I don't know. Let's check out Tiger. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Nothing much going on here, guys, with Tiger. It's just, hanging out the 14 level. Nice floor, though. All right. I mean, $13 to $14 range is a nice floor. You guys might want to check that out. Let's see. When stocks pump, Tiger usually runs. Okay. When there's good economic conditions or the markets are very green or et cetera, Tiger seems to run pretty hard. So you might consider a long position here at 14. Seems like this is the floor. If this range holds, then yeah, you can see significant upside with Tiger. I'm just not really looking at Tiger right now. It's not really on my watch list. All right. What's up, Cozy Blanket 101? Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up here, and 45 minutes towards bell. Real quick, I got 16 spots left in Patreon for the rest of this month. I am not increasing any spots for the rest of this month. So if you are looking to join our community, please feel free to hit my link in my profile. And we'll see you in our chats. And it's just a lot of learning going on. It's a great community if you're looking for something like that, to connect with other like-minded individuals and to also learn about trading, scalping, and options, etc. We provide free education for you. All right. So only 16 spots left. Okay. All right. With that being said, I'm done for the day. Or not done for the day. I'm done with this broadcast. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another pre-market prep.